I need to take off that Band-Aid.
No, you don't. I don't need it.
Why?
I don't like it. Oh.
Okay, let me take it off.
No! No!
Here, show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
Oh!
Really? So, tell me why you don't want your Band-Aid off.
Because I just want it on.
Why?
Because I'm going to bleed again.
You think you're going to bleed again? I don't think you will.
No.
So can we just take it off?
No!
Please?
No!
Did the other ones hurt?
But I don't want this one to hurt.
McCoy.